I wouldn't say that.
Easy, P. We had you on our team, dude. It's always easy.
Yeah, bro, you're insane.
You know, I'm really happy that people are telling me that tonight because I have a tournament this weekend.
Dude, you're gonna fucking own it.
Except I've lost like the last 4 matches. I just lost a match in overtime and I had like 45.
I'm all the way into B right now. One's in apps.
Stairs, one.
Underpass?
He was stairs.
Okay. Hold on, I'm in CT right now.
I'm throwing smoke.
There's one in jungle. There's one jungle with an op right now. I'm gonna try and get the ticket booth. Okay, there's one there. Okay, he's dead. There's one jungle still. Jungle down. Can you kill him? Okay. I think last guy's behind me. I could be wrong.
I am planting the bomb.
He's coming, CT.
Flashback.